The Taj Mahal is an exquisite and iconic monument located in Agra, India. It is one of the most famous and recognized landmarks globally, known for its breathtaking beauty and historical significance. Here are some key details about the Taj Mahal. Construction: the Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who passed away during childbirth in 1631. Construction of the monument began in 1632 and was completed in 1653. Architecture: the Taj Mahal is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture, combining elements of Islamic, Persian, Indian, and Turkish styles. It is primarily made of white marble adorned with intricate inlays of semi-precious stones and calligraphy from the Quran. Location: the Taj Mahal is situated on the right bank of the Yamuna River in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. Design: the monument is a symmetrical structure with a central white marble dome and 4 minarets standing at each corner. The main building is set within a large square garden, which is divided into 4 parts by water channels. Symbol of love: the Taj Mahal is often regarded as the ultimate symbol of love and devotion. It is said that Shah Jahan was heartbroken after the death of Mumtaz Mahal, and he decided to build the monument as a tribute to her beauty and their eternal love. World Heritage Site: in 1983, the Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its cultural and historical importance and its status as an architectural marvel. Garden and Reflection Pool: the garden surrounding the Taj Mahal is known as the Charbagh, a traditional Mughal garden divided into 4 parts. The monument is reflected in a large rectangular pool, adding to its visual splendor. Changing colors: the white marble of the Taj Mahal appears to change color throughout the day, from a soft pinkish hue in the morning to a dazzling white under the moonlight. Visitor attraction: the Taj Mahal attracts millions of visitors from all over the world each year, making it one of the most visited landmarks globally. The Taj Mahal's combination of architectural grandeur, historical significance, and romantic symbolism has made it an enduring symbol of India and an essential destination for travelers seeking to witness one of the world's most beautiful and captivating monuments.